How to start an online order on Wendy's website. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Wendy's website, which is wendys.com. Here, click on View Our Menu at the top, which will lead you to all the foods available. You can scroll through it and click the one you prefer, and here select the one you prefer. You'll find all the nutritions, ingredients, then press on Start an Order in here. After you click on Start an Order in here, you'll find two options, which is Pick Up and Get It Delivered. Select the option you prefer. After you've selected the option you prefer, I'm simply selecting Pick Up Your Order, so there you will need to add your city, state, or zip code, and then press on Search. You'll find all the Wendy's available in the location. Here you can click on Order here and order your product. This is how to start an online order on Wendy's website. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.